Imagine the excitement when a sneaker that has been the talk of the town suddenly starts to lose its luster. The New Balance 1906 Loafer, which has been a sensation, is finally seeing a slight dip in its popularity. This could be due to the fact that its most ardent fans have already been won over by a steady stream of new colorways, or perhaps because the market has become more competitive over time. Regardless of the reason, some of the newer editions, such as the olive and beige versions, are now more accessible at retail prices. While this is great news for consumers, it poses a challenge for the brand to reignite the same level of excitement. Enter the upcoming New Balance 1906L Black Patent, a bold move by the Boston designers to bring back the buzz. The designers have made two significant material changes for this release. While leather versions of the hybrid style have been seen before, the glossy, reflective patent leather used here is a genuine leap forward. Additionally, the checkered textures pay homage to the croc part of its unofficial title. The designers have not held back in applying these new textures. They cover the upper comprehensively, doubling down on the unique and divisive design of the silhouette with an equally eye-catching compositional profile. But here's where it gets controversial. The New Balance 1906L Black Patent Croc is set to hit the shelves this holiday season. With a retail price of $160, this price point might raise some eyebrows, especially considering the current market trends. Some might argue that the price is justified given the premium materials and unique design, while others might feel it's a bit steep. What do you think? Is the price tag worth it for this level of craftsmanship and style? And this is the part most people miss. The New Balance 1906L Black Patent Croc is not just about the materials. It's about the statement it makes. It's a bold step forward in design, and it's sure to turn heads. Whether you love it or hate it, you can't deny that it's a conversation starter. So, are you ready to make a statement this holiday season? Or do you prefer to stick with more traditional designs? For those eager to get their hands on a pair, the New Balance 1906L Black Patent Croc will be available at New Balance US. Be sure to check the site for availability and sizes. If you're looking for more options, you can also explore the aftermarket, where you might find a wider range of sizes. Just remember, sizes can vary, so it's always a good idea to double-check before making a purchase. Written by Matt Varga, a junior editor at Sneaker News, who brings a wealth of experience from the music world to the footwear industry. Initially earning a degree in video arts and technology, Matt got his start in video editing and writing, focusing primarily on hip-hop and electronic music. His long-standing interest in sneakers led him to transition into footwear journalism. An avid collector, his favorite sneakers include the Air Jordan 1 Black Toe and the Air Jordan 5 Laney, his first-ever pickups. When he's not writing, you can find Matt cooking, traveling, attending concerts, or playing handball when the weather permits. So, what do you think about the New Balance 1906L Black Patent Croc? Is it a bold step forward, or a bit too much? Let us know in the comments below.